Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Just here to unbox an AX, I don't know quite how to pronounce that, WABER. It's it says TV computer monitor stand, but you could put a TV on there, but to me it's a monitor stand. As the picture shows here, it will supposedly hold two monitors up to 34 inch each. 13 to 34 inch is the claim. Now I'm probably only going to put one monitor here on the top. The other monitor I've already got, and it's already in the bottom, so I'm going to put this sort of next to it, and so I've got one on top, because on my desk I just don't have enough room to have them next to each other this way. So I'm going to put one on top of the other. Some things that I'm not using all the time can sit up the top, and then I can still work away on the bottom monitor. So that's my reason for getting this. Let's get it open. There probably won't be much to this. I'll just show you what's in the box, and then later, if there's something to tell you, if I have trouble or doesn't work, something like that, I will do another video. Some of these are quite expensive. This one was on sale at the time, so I think it cost me $40 something. So we'll just have a quick look in here what you get in the box. So you get an instruction sheet telling you what to do. You get a number of screws, some diagrams, step 1 to step 2, 3, up to step 7. How to mount your monitors. Obviously you need VESA mount type monitors, which as long as your monitor's not too old, or your TV, that should be okay. Let's have a look quickly at the... Okay. Let me just try and describe it. I don't like the plastic that it comes in, but it feels quite solid. This is not too lightweight. Yeah, so it's decent. I would say, what would you say? It's nowhere near a quarter. It's maybe a 1/16 of an inch thick, the steel. 2 risers. You'll have your... Okay, so that's all right. So that's quite good. They set out all the screws, if you remember, on the instructions. So you've got your different parts, and so if the diagram says you need to put C there, well, there's C, there's B, there's A. So that's quite good that they've done that. So it's almost like, I guess, IKEA and whatever do this type of thing now. So you've got all your parts there, all numbered. I'm a bit old school. I'm used to things you used to buy previously. You'd have to use your head and work it out. It was like a challenge or a puzzle, I guess. Again, some more parts. Okay, so all parts come labelled in these plastic bags. Okay, your base plate is going to be down the bottom there, quite obviously. I'll just move this out of the side. Now, your VESA mounts that your screen goes on, and then that slides into the vertical rails. You've got 2 of those. Some other sort of support. I'm not going to even guess at what that is. Okay, let's move this and just have a look at the base. Okay, the base is quite nice, actually. Let me try and get some of this out of the way. Sorry, some of these boxings you get a bit unwieldy with some of these bigger items. And let's have a look. So it's a glass covered. Oh no, it looks like it's it's total glass. Okay, so the base is fully glass. It's not metal at all, but it's quite heavy. So anyway, that's a lot fancier than what I thought it would be. I just expected it to be a metal base. So anyway, that's your unboxing of that AX WABER computer monitor stand. Yeah, so you get two on top of each other, as you see here, and you can adjust the height. So if you've got a smaller one or a larger one on the bottom and smaller here, you can adjust it to where you want. Please ask if you've got any questions, you can put them in the comments and I'll answer anyone's questions. If there's anything to tell you, I will add a comment later. I will try to remember to put a link in the description or in a comment as well. And yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers for now. Bye.